tough. But Allah will send others to carry much of your physical burdens and will remove from you much of your worldly distractions, so that you can now focus on your spiritual elevation and the beauty of Him and the blessings He's put around you. Blessings that you helped grow and blessings that you now fully appreciate. And there isn't just a newfound sense of gratitude in your life now, but a newfound sense of urgency as you wait for your fate to suddenly take what may be its final turn.
Discussing the divine decree and the many subtle ways it might show up in our lives. As we answer the hard questions like why me this whole month, Yaqeen also works every month of the year to provide answers that combat doubt, research that educates people around the world, and content that inspires every member of the Ummah around the world. This Laylatul Qadr, when things are multiplied by thousands, add a deed to your list that can help every believer solidify their faith. Let a voice for Islam around the world. Donate to Yaqeen.